Okay, so another packet tracer activity. It's a packet tracer for chapter 10, web and email. Web and email. Let's see. Wow. Okay. So it's a large network here. No? So, wow. Home office. Amazing. Okay. So we have an email services. I have an email only. So objectives is part 1 is configure and verify. Let's see for recording. So part 1 is configure and verify. Configure and verify web services, and then part 2 is configure and verify email services. So background is, in this activity, we'll configure web and email services using the simulated server in packet tracer. So we'll then configure clients to access the web and email services. So note that packet tracer only simulates the process for configuring these devices. Web and email software packages each have their own unique installation and configuration instructions. Okay. So part 1 is configure and verify web services. Step 1 is configure web services on the central server and branch server. Click central server and click services tab, HTTP. Central server, let's see, where is the central server? Services and then HTTP. So click on to enable HTTP secure. Okay. Optional, personal based din. Oh, okay. Nice. You can personalize din pala. HTML pre. Spray. Nice. Lowered, let's see. Oh, ha ha ha. Image. Oh, nice. Okay, so personal. Okay, we just need to click this one on. Repeat step 1 to 1C on branch server. Okay. Just need to set this on. Okay. Next. So verify the web servers by accessing the web pages. So there are many equipped endpoint devices on this network, but for the purpose of this step, use PC3. So click PC3 and click desktop tab and web server. Where's the PC3? This one. Okay, so there's only one PC3 here. And then web server. Alright, next. Send the URL box, enter 10.10.2 as the IP address and click go. So, central server website displays. See. 10.10.10. Okay, so transit server. Then, for the branch server website, we have the IP address 100.200.1. Web server. Small page. Back. Capitalize. Nice one. See. Then in the URL box, okay, so we're using the domain name .pt.pkl. So image page. What? File not found. We can also access the the branch server. So branch server. So this is the domain name. Wow. Okay, branch server. So what protocol is translating the central server.pt.pka, the branch server's website names to IP addresses. So we have DNS, okay, domain system or service. Now for part 2 is configure and verify email services on servers. Step 1 is configure the central server to send SMTP and receive PAP3 email. Okay. So click central server and then select the service tab followed by the email button. So click on, okay, we'll be enabling the SMTP and PAP3. Set the domain name to central server.ptp. Click set. Central server, okay. For set the email, okay. Click on boot, okay. Then set the domain name, so central server .pt.pka. So I need to set this, and then create username, central user, and password Cisco. Central user, password is Cisco. Okay. Then click add. This is our user. So now for branch server, okay, we'll be doing the same. Branch user password. Email. So have different domain name for branch server. Branch server .pt.pka. Oops. Set this. And then branch user. Cisco. So add this. Okay, now configure PC3 to use central server email service. So click PC3, desktop, and email. So enter the following values into their respective fields. Your name, central user, and central. So this is our email, incoming mail server. Incoming mail server, okay. That is the IP address 10.2. Okay. So from PC3, email. Okay. So your name, email address. Okay. So your name is central user. Our email address is central user at central server .pt. Okay. Incoming mail server. So it's the server of our central server. Also for outgoing, so username, you have the central server, central user. Then password is Cisco. Okay, this is our account on the server. Then click save. Okay. Now click receive. Okay, the mail browser. Click receive. If everything has been set up correctly on both client and server, the mail browser window displays receive mail success message. Where is it? Okay, I haven't received. Okay. So I'm receiving mail from POP3 server. Receive mail success. Okay. Okay, now configure sales to use email server service of Branch server. So click sales desktop. Okay. So we'll be using this we'll be configuring the branch server the same as the central server using the sales. Okay, let's see. So it's email. So your name is, we'll set our name to branch user branch user dot branch server dot pt.ok. Okay, we're correct. And the server address, our username, so our account of the server. So enter our name. Okay, so click save, then receive. Okay. The activity should be 100%. Okay. Or the mail browser. Okay. So we have 100% now for verification that our email service is operational. So send an email from the sales client and the PC client. So from the sales mail browser, click compose. Okay. So enter the following values into their respective fields. Okay. So central user at central server .pt.pk. Subject is personalize the subject. 9. Email body is personalize the email. Okay, so click send. To verify that PC3 received the email, click PC3. Okay. So email PC3. Email received. Okay, we have a message from the branch server. Now click reply. Personal response, click send. Click reply. Okay, let's see. So for example, click send. So should we be able to receive? So it's a replies. Okay. So I don't want to save this. Okay. So I think that is the web and email on the package user.